The wizard panda from the Nizhny Novgorod Carnival factory is a character who creates magic without too much effort. The animator's eyes are exactly at the level of the mascot's eyes. The view remains natural and complete, and the lightweight design allows you to move freely even during active work. It's comfortable inside thanks to ventilation in the mouth and eyes. The set includes a head, overalls, robe, hat, cane, gloves, and soft shoes with rubberized soles. Each element undergoes a 3-stage quality control of the OTC, so the costume retains a decent appearance after many performances. The Magic Panda is ideal for children's parties, show programs, photo shoots, and thematic events. Production in Russia, production time, from 14 days. When ordering from 3 units, individual prices and conditions apply. We ship all over Russia and to more than 160 countries of the world. Do you want a selection of similar characters or an exact calculation of the cost of your order? Contacts for video. Write or call right now.